In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can I export my Base44 app to app stores? Here's the short answer up front. Yes, you can publish a Base44 app to the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. The key is understanding what Base44 creates and how to get it store ready. Base44 builds web apps. That means your app runs in a browser and lives at a web address, rather than being a fully native app compiled specifically for iOS or Android. That's not a limitation, it just changes the path you take to publish. You can still publish by packaging your web app inside a lightweight native wrapper. Think of it like a shell app that loads your Base44 site and presents it like a native experience. To do that, you'll need your live Base44 app link. This URL is the heart of your submission. It's what the wrapper points to, so make sure your app is live, stable, and mobile-friendly before you proceed. To create the native files that app stores require, you'll use a web-to-app converter or wrapper tool. It doesn't change your Base44 build, it simply turns your URL into installable apps with native icons, a splash screen, and access to features like push notifications if your wrapper supports them. You'll generate different files for each platform. Android typically needs an AAB or APK, and iOS needs an IPA delivered through Xcode. On the Google Play Store, you'll sign in with a developer account, create your app listing, upload your Android build, complete content ratings and permissions, and submit for review. Google's review is generally predictable for well-built web-wrapped apps. Focus on clear descriptions, accurate permissions, and a responsive design that works on a variety of screens. On the Apple App Store, the flow is similar, but the review is stricter for web-based apps. You'll enroll as a developer, create your listing in App Store Connect, upload your build via Xcode or Transporter, and complete your privacy and metadata. Apple looks for an app-like experience, clean navigation, appropriate loading states, high-quality icons and screenshots, and meaningful functionality. If your app is just a basic website with no added value, expect pushback. There isn't a one-click export from Base44 directly to the stores, so plan for the wrapper step and the store submission process. Test thoroughly on real devices, optimize performance, handle the Android back button gracefully, and ensure your splash screen and icons look polished. So can you export your Base44 app to app stores? Yes. Build in Base44, use your app link in a web-to-app converter, generate platform-specific files, and submit to Google and Apple following their guidelines. Done right, your web app can go live and feel right at home in both stores.